boys and girls. It's Mrs. Smith. All right, so for today's math lesson, we are going to get out pattern blocks and we are going to recreate the pictures that you see in your announcement. So if you have these pattern blocks at home, you can go ahead and get those out and you can do math like that. But many of us do not have these pattern blocks at home. I know I do not. So I'm going to teach you how to use your EDM website and use something called the e-toolkit to recreate all of these designs. All right, let's go. When you get started, when you see the announcement like this, I want you to click on EDM, but there's a very important step that will help you, and you might need an adult to help you do this. You want to click on it and open it in a new tab. So that way you can go back and forth. So I can go over here and look at my picture, and then I can click on EDM and get to my toolkit. So this always pops up. I'm going to click the student edition just like you do. I'm going to click math with Mrs. Smith. And then you will get to this page. Now, when you get on this page, you want to click e-toolkit. You'll see a bunch of shapes. All right, now that we are in the e-toolkit, you want to go over here on the side. Let's kind of move this out of the way. You want to come over here on the side and click e-tools. And then you're going to go down and you're going to click pattern blocks, and they should pop up down here for you. The next step that you want to do is change the size to small. That way we can make the entire picture. All right, let's try to make this flower right here. All right, let's see. How many trapezoids do you see in that flower design? 1, 2. I see 2. All right, let's go back to our toolkit. Click on this and drag it up. 1, 2. Uh-oh. Mine doesn't look the same. I need this to flip over. They have this little button right here, and if you click it, you can turn it in a circle. Now they fit together nicely. All right, let me go back to the picture again. Let's count the hexagons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagons. So now I need 6 of these. 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to put these all the way around my flower. This is a great spring picture. Now you'll notice my design is going off the page. See up here, I can't see the top. That is okay. If yours does that, do not worry about it. All right. What do you think's next? Does anyone remember? What pattern block? The triangles make the stem of our flower. There's part of it. Oh, I need to turn this one, so I'm going to use this handy tool down here. Turn it. All right, there's the stem. Mine's not going to have a long stem like this one did, but that's okay. I'm going to try to add a couple leaves. There's one. I think I'm going to turn this one just a little bit. Kind of put it right there. And you can have fun with this. It's okay if yours is not exact. You just want to play around and turn all of these cool pattern blocks into a picture. I think I'm going to turn this one a little more. This leaf. I also want to show you, if you ever grab a pattern block like, oh, maybe I grabbed this one, but I didn't really want it. You can just take it and drag it over here to what looks like the trash can, and it'll get rid of it. All right, I think my picture looks pretty nice. I think it matches this flower as close as it can. So I'm going to click this button right here. Almost looks like a target, and it gets rid of that bottom. Ooh, I think I can add some more here. So you might want to add another triangle to make your stem longer. Did you guys make the flower like Mrs. Smith? All right, next up, we're going to make a more challenging picture, so stay tuned.